Hi everybody, welcome back to DB2 Travels. My name is Kim. I'm a travel agent and I love to cruise. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. If you've seen me before and you're subscribed, welcome back. Can't wait to show you my room on Utopia of the Seas. We're here on the President's Cruise. This is so exciting. So I can't wait to show you. Come on along. We're in Stateroom on deck 14, 721. So over here, we have a closet area where we have a bunch of shelves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have the safe, pretty big safe. Then there's hanging space over here. Then we're gonna go down. We have some hooks here, and then it's just this one actually moves, so this one doesn't belong here. And then we're going to take a look at these drawers. Ooh, soft clothes, my favorite. So these are great when you're cruising because you can like hang stuff there, your hat or anything like that. I have my own. We also love putting on the cruise compass for the day. If they give it to us, we put it hanging on the wall. So here in the bathroom, we have a nice size shower with a shelf. And then we go over here to the toilet and the counter with 3 shelves above it. Nice size lighted mirror. Underneath there's storage. In general, this is a great size bathroom for a cruise ship. So as we move along, we have the phone. And back here we have a lamp with a plug and a USB, which is great. So you could put your CPAP machine on the side, which is awesome. And then we have a nice king size bed. President's Cruise, we got our first gifts, some nice towels. On this side, we have a nice huge TV. And we have some more hooks and hang your coat. And then over here again, can plug in those CPAP machines. We got a plug and USB, charge our phone and a CPAP machine. That's great. And then you got a couple shelves down there. On this side, there's plenty of hanging space. As you come along, a huge couch, huge, this is great, where you can sit and lounge. Excuse me. Then as we come along over here, we have 1, 2, there's 3 plugs, and we have 2 European and a couple USBs, which is great. Nice, beautiful lighted mirror to do your makeup and your hair in the morning. Nice comfy chair. As we come along, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers, which is great. And then we have a drawer up here. You have your hair dryer to do your hair and some tissues. And then as we open here, we have a nice cooler / refrigerator. Plenty of space. Ooh, happy to see you. Ooh, fruit. Tons of fruit to eat. That's great. I'm Diamond Plus, so that could be part of my my package that I get. So then we're gonna go out to our balcony. So exciting. So we have 2 chairs and a table. And that's where the Aqua show is at night. And those are the slides. Rock climbing walls over there. So these are all the Boardwalk balconies. So this is the Boardwalk balcony. That's, I think, 2 ones. I'll have to look and let you know. There is the carousel, Playmakers, and Johnny Rockets is right below us. See if I can get over there. And 1 deck up is the windjammer. So this is another view of my room. I hope you enjoyed the room tour. I can't wait to show you this ship. That video is going to be coming out soon. Again, my name is Kim. If you liked my video, if you can please give me a like and a subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. So that's my room tour of Stateroom 14721, the Boardwalk balcony. We really enjoyed this room. Just so you guys know, it's very, very loud at night, especially when the Aqua show is going on, and on the sports deck when they're calling plays and stuff, you definitely can hear that inside your room with the door closed. Other than that, this was a great room. I really enjoyed our stay here. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a like and a subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and it really would help my channel grow. See you next time.